We know you love your dining hall burger, but you can't exactly bring those to your next tailgating party. In today's Kingsford Tailgate at Home, former NFL veteran and grilling enthusiast Mike Golick is going to tell us how to make the perfect burger for your buddies. Hi, Mike.
How you doing, Erin?
Good. First, let's talk about the patty.
Oh, well, the patty is certainly the key. You take some ground beef, you get some seasoning mix, how about some parsley, crumbled up potato chip, and some diced onion. You roll that all into the patty, and you get that baby ready for the grill.
And once your prep is finished, how long should you keep them on the grill?
Well, that's the key. 4 minutes on each side, right in that range, and you only want to flip your burger one time. If you're not sure when to flip it, look for the pooling of the natural juices on the burger, and that's going to let you know when to flip it. Flip it once, and you're going to have a delicious gourmet burger.
Thanks, Mike. Now I'm a little hungry. For more of Mike's tailgating tips, log on to mealstogether.com. And be sure to check back tomorrow for some grilling pointers.